This is a renewal, the past 20 years. The time I've been to school, I've went to Bellingham School and to Ferndale schools, so I really benefited from the Levy, from having, the first American Spirit team and having the after-school curricular activities, whether that was our Chesquin Club or, our singing and dance. And, for 20 years I've lived with this and went to school and relied on these different tools and resources through this Levy, and because we're trying to renew it just to better the future for our kids, to ensure that they have the same tools and the same resources that I had. My elders tell me, why fix something that's not broken, right? And it's worked for our kids, and we've had many kids, including myself. How are we going to benefit and how are we going to contribute? How do we contribute and show that, this Levy means something to us, to them, and to everybody in our community? Because we got to contribute if we're going to take, right? And we can't go on without it. How are we going to be able to have, Miss Smith or Teacher Beal? I had those guys at my class all the time, help me get through high school. Dang, I'd never be here today if it wasn't for Bill John, being at Ferndale High School, pulling me out and saying, "Are you okay, TJ? Is your schoolwork going okay? How's home going?" And I thank him every day for that, and I'm pretty sure he was on because of the Levy, right? He's there working with our kids every day. That's his passion.